What?
This is my bestie. Scooter. What's up, besties? Okay, so I made it to Thailand. I'm in the airport right now. And we're about to have so much fun. I cannot wait. This trip, I've been waiting for it. So I'm gonna take you along with me as we go. We're gonna have fun. Let's go. Where are you from?
From Thailand.
Oh. Finally made it to my house. Okay, so I'll show you guys. Let's take a look. All right, so this is my house while I'm in Bangkok. My baggage. There's a restroom right here. Just normal bathroom. Nothing too spectacular. But then you come into the living room. There's my couch, my table, my bed. And then there's no balcony, but it's just an out, like a view. There's the fridge, which is in here, the TV, and then there's a closet area right here. And then my favorite part of the house is, well, this is the kitchen. This is not my favorite part of the house, but wait. The favorite part is coming up is the balcony. So there's a small balcony that's attached to having the washer here. But look, you can see like all of the city. Isn't that awesome? I am just in love, y'all. Oh my gosh. We made it. Good morning, besties. Okay, so we're headed to the elephant sanctuary right now. I'm excited. Oh, our elevator's here. Back to what I was saying. So we're going to the elephant sanctuary. It's about an hour and a half away from Bangkok. So I'm gonna meet with the travel group and we're gonna go, and I'm taking you with me. Let's go see some elephants today. I'm so excited.
Yeah, like it.
How are you guys doing that? It's not sticking.
Just compress.
Yeah, I guess just.
Okay, good.
One more. Okay, you can feed them by pumpkin.
Frankie, are you trying to kiss me? Frankie, are you trying to kiss me? He likes.
Yes, he wanna kiss you. Close to him and then he can hug you. Close beside. Yes. Don't be afraid. She okay. Bo พาเขาไปถ่ายทีอะ He take care you นะ The guy. Don't be afraid. Okay, follow him. Follow him. Okay.
What? Nope.
This is my bestie. Scooter. I know. Thank you for being so kind to me. I love you. Let's go. Let's go. This is the cute little bathroom area. But all the staff that live at this sanctuary, they just take showers here. Oh, that looks so good.
Lapay.